distracted, right? They'll be distracted getting the weapon.
Yeah, I need wood. I need wood.
You go get wood. I got 2,000 wood. Okay? I need to do like that.
Okay, now gotta attack. Gotta attack now.
Ah! Gavin, I'm building downward staircases.
Oh, God. Oh, okay, finish the game numbers. Okay, we gotta, okay. I'll be going on top. It's gonna be the least expected.
Okay.
The least expect me coming from over here, so I'll be over
We
here.
need to win this. Last time we got a bunch of kills. So guys, we were playing this game before it was out. You guys, we weren't recording. We were just testing it out to see if it.
Coins! I found coins!
We were good, Gavin. You got found coins. Good.
I found some coins. Alright,
People are sniping us. You know, I'm getting mad. Hey guys,
I'm coming from over here.
I just kicked the soccer ball.
Really,
I just kicked the soccer ball to them. I sort of look like a cat.
Yes. Okay, they won't. Okay, I'm near where their flag is. I might actually defeat them. I might actually.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Without noticing.
Good idea going over there, Gavin. I'm coming with you. We could go together, then we could go kill them. The other people will be distracted. The other team will be distracted by the other people, and you could get the flag, and then we win. I see. Oh shoot!
Okay, like, come on, we gotta. But that's what they're all like. They're like, come on, get the flag.
Get the flag.
I'm like, no, you know, I'm getting my times to real flags to. Goodbye. Wait, I might actually get them all guard. If I get them all guard, then this is the best plan.
I'm approaching their base. I'm approaching it.
Me too. And right now, I'm trying to make sure he doesn't run all that.
I feel like I'm walking on lava.
I'm not trying to knock down the those balls. What is it?
People are coming towards me. Oh, I accidentally shot. Oh, that person died. Couldn't take the heat. Sucker! Oh! That guy fell into lava.
I'm approaching.
Oh my goodness!
What is this? Our base?
No, someone picked him out with flag. No, Gavin, are you in the base?
No, not yet. I'm trying to find the entrance.
Okay, will you find the entrance? And guys, 2 rounds, if you don't know. 2 rounds. Okay, our flag got returned.
Darn it, they were like expecting us to come.
Wait, what team? No, we're on team yellow. How about I distract them and you come through the middle?
No, I can't come to the middle. Be too obvious. They don't know where we came from. So, if I go down the same direction, but it would be too slow.
Too long, you mean?
Yeah. Too slow long.
Dummy!
know. It's annoying.
I'm right behind you, Gavin. Wait for me. Wait for me. Gavin, I'm sliding down right behind you. Gavin, I'm... Oh my goodness, what? I was on the wood that you were on, and then it just killed me.
Get ready. Okay. Follow me, and you'll know where to go. Because I know where to go.
How do you get grappler ammo?
I'm going downstairs. So,
I'm sliding down, Gavin. Wait for me, okay?
I'm not gonna wait. I can't. No.
Eh.
That's good. Now I know that I can actually go right over here without anybody noticing. And ow!
I'll build one more for you.
Okay. Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. We're not done. I'm not done.
Oh! I was about to die! I'm approaching their base, Gavin. I'm approaching their base. I think there's around like 7 minutes left of this video. Oh, come on! Their team is... Gavin, I found a way to get there really easily.
I'm going down my own path. This is where I'm going. If I know I'm going down,
I know your path because that's the path I did.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can do it. Okay, Mouse,
Yeah?
I'm not gonna set the game up. I'm just gonna go over here, go to the store. And then,
Are you leaving?
no. I'm not gonna close it. I'm just gonna close it when this round's over. Well, I'm gonna do the round's over.
Kaz does double rounds. Well, I'm only gonna record one round. That person had no idea where I'm coming. Oh my! Person approaching their base. Why am I metting up acid? No! What then? Guys? I'll be right back, guys. What's that? Guys, I'm back. This video will end in probably about 5 minutes. I just left my PC while recording. That doesn't make no sense. That was the person who killed me, I think. I'm Iron Man! I see a secret way. Well, I didn't land where I expected to land. Oh, I see a person. He has no idea I'm approaching behind him. Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Where did that guy come from? gonna say goodbye, so I'm just saying goodbye right now. So guys, please, if you really like this video, please like this video so we'll make a part 2. And also, Gavin, there's 2 people approaching. I'm just passing them. Like I don't see them. I'm acting like I don't see them. Then, Gavin, you go to the base. There's 2 people coming. Guys, I'm approaching the base. I'm recording, Mom. And guys, I'm approaching their base. Guys, I'm approaching the base. No, I died. Guys. Hey, guys, guys. So, Mom, can I finish this match? It's gonna be really quickly. But Mom, can I just finish this video? It's almost over. And guys, sorry, I'm just yelling at my mama. My mom's talking to me, I'm yelling back while I'm playing. I'm getting very stressed out. I need to make it here. I made it to the top.